Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some very delicious popsicles in a bag of pistachio, creamy, refreshing, and perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing gourmet popsicles in a bag, these are the ingredients. I have green food coloring, baggies for the popsicles in a bag, evaporated milk, condensed milk, granulated sugar, pistachios, regular milk, heavy whipping cream, concentrate of pistachio. And let me tell you, these popsicles in a bag come out creamy, delicious, and amazing. Perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup, and I'm going to use 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it for just a couple minutes. When the water turns just slightly a little bit yellow, that means that the sugar has dissolved completely. I am going to turn off the stove and let it rest. And now I am ready to start preparing the pistachios. And of course, remember to buy the pistachios with no salt, because we are making a sweet dessert, and you want to make sure that your pistachios have no salt. And like you could see, I am taking the shell away, and this is going to take pretty long time. So I am going to continue taking the shell off, and then I'll show you when I am done. And here I am done. I'm going to throw all this away, and let me show you. The pistachios are here. I'm going to reserve just a little bit to garnish my popsicles in a bag. I'm going to go ahead and just crush them a little bit, because I am going to add them to those little baggies. Once you crush them just like that, I am going to add them into this little plate, and I'm going to reserve them. Look at this. You want to make sure that you crush them so they're not a whole pistachio in those little bags. And the rest of the pistachios I am going to add here on my blender cup with just a little bit of water. And to this I am going to add some green food coloring. The reason that I'm adding the food green coloring is because the concentrate of pistachio has very little color. So that's why I'm adding this concentrate and this food coloring into the pistachio. And now I am ready to blend. I'm going to blend it until it's completely blended. And it really doesn't take too long. And look at the color. The color looks really dark, but remember, we are going to add it into all the milks. So here I'm just going to reserve it. I have a big glass cup where I'm going to start adding my regular milk. I am going to add my heavy whipping cream, my condensed milk, and my evaporated milk. Look at this. And of course, I'm not going to leave any of the concentrated condensed milk on the can. I'm going to add a little splash of the sugar, and now I am ready to add the concentrate of the pistachio. I am going to add 3 tablespoons of this concentrate of pistachio, and of course you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and whisk it and whisk everything together so all the milks really incorporate. As you could see, the color is not too heavy. That's why I added the food coloring, and it starts getting so green, so beautiful. The smell of the pistachio is so concentrated that you could really smell it. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting it to see how it came out. It's nice and creamy, And let's see if I need to add just a little more of the simple syrup. To my tasting, this is great. You could still see the little specks of the pistachios right on the top of all those milks, but this is completely done. Now I am ready to start making my popsicles in a bag. And to tell you the truth, it really doesn't take too long, but it's a very delicious and refreshing sweet that you could use right after you have your delicious meal, especially now with this hot weather. You want to enjoy a popsicle. Well, this is the perfect one. I have the pistachios crushed already. I have all these little baggies. And of course, I have this cup, and this cup I really love because it's so pointy from the top that it's very easy to pour all those milks into this little baggie. Look at this. And this cup, I got it at Walmart. And now I am ready to assemble it. I'm going to go ahead and start adding just a little bit of like a tablespoon of the pistachios in the bag. Just a little bit. You don't want too much. And now I am ready to be pouring this amazing mixture of all the milks. Just perfection, like I say, made at home. Remember, there's no need to go and buy those expensive ice creams when you could make one at home, and you could make it as big or as small as you decide. But once you add the liquid in here, make sure you twist it so nothing comes out when you put it in your freezer. You don't want to make a mess in your freezer. So just make sure that when you add the milk, you twist it really tightly and then make that knot right on the top, okay? Let me show you one more so that you could see how easy it is to prepare these amazing popsicles in a bag. My family really love these popsicles in a bag. Very easy to prepare. Just put them in the freezer. The following day, they are ready to be enjoyed. Look at this. Twist it really tight so nothing comes out. And of course, your freezer is not going to have any of this mixture in there. And now I am completely done. I'm going to go ahead, put them in this plate, take them to the freezer, and I'll see you the next day. I want to enjoy them nice and cold. And here they are nice and cold. Look at this. I just got them out of the freezer. They're still kind of white, but I'm going to rub on a little bit so that you could see the color, and you could even see the little specks of the pistachio. I am going to remove this little plastic right on the top. Look at this. Let me show you. These are the little pieces of the pistachio. I love cutting this little piece on the top because it looks much more nicer. Look at this. Well, I'm going to continue cutting the top, and then I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing popsicles in a bag of pistachio. They come out creamy, delicious, perfect for this hot weather. But this is how you enjoy an amazing popsicle in a bag. Of course, you cut the tip with the scissors, and then you are ready to enjoy it. It's so hot here in California that, to tell you the truth, I'm really going to enjoy this amazing popsicle in a bag of pistachio. Nice and creamy. Excuse me. It's so creamy. The flavor of the pistachio is so penetrated. And those little pieces of the pistachio, amazing. Perfection made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Enjoy this amazing popsicle in a bag of pistachio, nice and creamy and refreshing. Bye-bye. Mmm.